Well, here we are. Got the fiberglass laid in there, mixed the resin up, got it pretty much all the way around the outside edge. I had a little bit built up inside of here, and I wiped it out with acetone, and it looks very much like that it's the resin has come out, and I'll have a nice epoxy bond all the way around here, and I won't have to worry about coming around and doing something that looks like this or just as bad. Oh, well, at least it won't look like that. And I'll paint it up real nice, put a nice little Buick sign on that side of it, and we'll be good to go. All right, bye-bye.